Hello everyone, this is CS Divesh Goyal, practicing company secretary in Delhi. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the latest amendment in the MSME Act 2006. MSME Act means Micro, Small, Medium Enterprises. As recently, Ministry have made amendment in the definition of the MSME Act. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the entities which can register under MSME, what are the criteria to register under MSME, and which type of business can register under MSME. So let's start with our first question. Which are the entities, which are the type of entities which can register under MSME? So if anyone want to get registered under MSME, there is no limit ki who can get registered under MSME. Even a proprietorship firm, even a partnership firm, undertaking, association of persons, Hindu undivided families, companies, LLPs, etc. Any type of entity, whether it is an individual entity or it is a corporate, any type of entity can register under MSME. So it is not restricted under MSME that only some restricted type of entity can register. So any type of entity as we discussed. Our question number 2 for today video is, which type of business can register under MSME? So as per the MSME Act 2006, only the manufacturer and the service providers can register under the MSME. The traders are not allowed to register under MSME. Whenever we go for the registration under MSME Act, it is specifically mentioned that if you are in the manufacturing or you are in the service, then only you can register under MSME. Otherwise, it is not allowed to register under the MSME Act. Now the third condition. What are the criteria to register under MSME? This is the latest amendment under the criteria for the MSME. Earlier there was the criteria for the investment. Criteria was divided as per investment for registration under MSME. There was a separate criteria for the manufacturing industries and there was a separate criteria for the service industries. But after this amendment, now the criteria are not only based on the investment. Now the criteria is also based on the turnover. So earlier there was only investment as a criteria. Now investment and turnover both are the criteria to get registration under MSME Act. Now the entities have to fulfill both the criteria. So criteria for the investment in plant and machinery in case of manufacturing entity, and investment in equipment in case of service entities. Let's discuss the latest criteria for registered under the MSME Act. So as per the latest criteria of the MSME Act, if any entity want to register under MSME, it is divided into 3 categories: micro, small and medium. All 3 categories having different limits. First, let's discuss the limits to get registered under the micro entities. So the limit for the micro entities, the investment size of the entity should be less than 1 crore and turnover should be less than 5 crore. If the entity fulfill both the criteria, that entity can register itself for the MSME, for the micro industry under MSME. So let's move to the small. For the registration under as a small entity under MSME Act, the criteria for investment is 10 crore rupees, less than 10 crore rupees, and the criteria for turnover is less than 50 crore rupees. And same we move to the medium enterprise. In the medium enterprise, if any entity want to register under the medium enterprise, the investment size of entity should be less than 20 crore and the turnover criteria of the company should be less than 100 crore. So these are the 3 criteria for the micro, small and medium. Now I'm just telling you one trick how we can learn the criteria. You just remember the criteria for the micro. Criteria for the micro is investment less than 1 crore and turnover is less than 5 crore. Now you are moving from micro to small, then just multiply it with 10. 1 into 10, 10 crore, less than 10 crore for the investment. 5 into 10 is 50 crore, less than 50 crore turnover. This is the criteria for the small. Now let's move to the medium. Now you are moving to the medium, then multiply the criteria of small with 2. Small entities investment criteria less than 10 crore into 2, 20. So for the medium is less than 20 crore. For turnover, small entity turnover is 50 crore, less than 50 crore. Multiplied with 2, that is 100 crore. So for the medium it is less than 100 crore. So if you want to learn the criteria, you can use this trick to learn the criteria for registration under MSME. I have received one question from many of the persons to get registered under the MSME, whether entities are required to fulfill both the condition, that is investment plus turnover, or entities can fulfill only any one condition, whether investment or turnover. So as per the new definition, it seems that as they use the word and between turnover and investment, so it seems that if an entity want to register under MSME Act 2006, then that entity have to fulfill both the criteria. They have to fulfill the criteria of investment as well as turnover. Hope I have cleared the provisions of the registration under MSME and in my this video, the criteria for registration under MSME. In my next videos, I will discuss about the process of registration under MSME and benefit of the MSME. So for the regular update of these videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel, that is FCS Divesh Goyal. Thank you so much.